If there is any unexpected problem, and you want to reboot the smart plug, keep pressing the touch button, till the touch button light disappears. As soon as the light disappears, lift your finger. The device will reboot. Now it is rebooted. To set the device to factory default, keep pressing the touch button, till both green and red lights appear. Lift your finger, and the device will be set to factory default. Now the Wi-Fi credentials, and other data, will be erased from the device memory, and has to be re-entered again. This is useful in situations like your Wi-Fi name, or password is changed, or if you want to change your Wi-Fi connection, or you have chosen a wrong password, etc. In the next video, we will see how to connect and control the device with Alexa.